Mathiko ma uria urari munini wa gavana wa kaunti ya Kericho Susan Kikwai ni matabanirio umuthi kuringana na watho wa thirikari udumwe na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri igiye mathiko matabanagio rungu rwa mathaa 72 mundu akua. Hindi ya mathiko ma Kikwai mitaratara yothe ya ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni thingatithirio niguo kurigiriria gutherema kwa murimu wa COVID-19.
You have lost a wonderful lady, you have lost a friend, and those of us who worked with her knew how immeasurable her contribution.
Kikwai ni agwetetwo ta mundu urari na kio wira-ini wake, family na arata makimugana ta mundu mwendi andu na urari na waragania utungata-ini wake kuri muingi wa kaunti ya Kericho.
She was dedicated in ensuring that this county moves forward. This great lady left a very big position in national government to come and serve as the deputy governor for Kericho. She was dedicated in ensuring that this county moves forward.
Susan Kikwai acagurirwo hamwe na gavana Paul Chepkwony ni muingi wa kaunti ino itena ria mbere mwaka wa 2013 na arakoretwo agitungata itena ria keri. Gikuo gia Kikwai kiraumanire na murimu wa COVID-19 uria uramugumeire na arakuire muthi wa Jumamothi akiamukira urigiti thibitari-ini wa Siloam uria uri kaunti-ini ya Kericho. Maya magithiaga na mbere murugamiriri munene kiama-ini kia Jubilee James Waweru nake ni akuire kiroko kia umuthi. Ndeto ino igikindirwo ni mwandiki mukaru kiama-ini giki Rafael Tuju ona gutuika gitumi gia gikuo giake gitinahiuka kwanirirwo.
To announce to you the passing on of our brother and executive director Mr. James Waweru, who passed on this morning very suddenly. I'm flanked here by one of the family members, his son Victor, who is the one in the country, his brother, and other family members within the mortuary. We are extremely devastated.
Atongoria matiganite aria ni hamwe na President Uhuru Kenyatta na munini wake William Ruto ni macakaite gikuo kia Waweru. Uhuru akiuga gikuo giake ni igutha rinene kuri bururi gukiringithanio no tungata wake. Waweru anatungata ta mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya mathako hindi ya thirikari ya President wa hau kabere Mwai Kibaki.
He has been in the leadership of Jubilee, where his leadership skills have been most useful, a very sober, a very reasoned, a very moderate, and a very passionate leader at Jubilee headquarters.